important aspect of ISF's meeting is that we have a segment called the educator segment, wherein there is one person who comes over here and shares his or her experience with us on a particular topic. And our educator for the day is Deepak Nagpal. Deepak Nagpal is working as a knowledge manager with PwC, and Deepak recently became a dad. So that is not the topic he's going to educate us about, and we will surely give him a slot to give us an education segment on the joys or the perils of fatherhood, but that would be some other time. May I now invite Deepak Nagpal over to the stage.
Thank you so much, Siddharth, for that wonderful introduction of mine. Friends, I'm Deepak Nagpal, already Siddharth mentioned, and I'm going to speak on a topic which is very relevant in today's world, multitasking, whether we should multitask or do focused work. I think Dr. Hemant already gave a start when he mentioned focus as one of the key elements of living life in your passion. But in the fast-paced world, in today's fast-paced world, we are surrounded by so many gadgets, so many things that, and we have so many things and activities to cover that, whether consciously or subconsciously, we get into a mode of multitasking. And multitasking is actually when we start juggling between two or more things without even noticing that it can really harm you. It can really harm the way our brain functions. Researchers, those who have done research on this topic, they say that multitasking, if done in a prolonged time, can harm the way our brain functions. Some other ways multitasking can really impact us is that it can really affect the quality of work we do. So if we are doing two activities and we are trying to juggle between them, it will impact the quality of both of these activities. Another wrong, it's a wrong assumption that we think that when we are multitasking, we are actually saving time by doing multitasking, by doing two or more activities. But that's wrong. People, those who have researched on this topic, they say that when we are doing multitasking, we actually waste 20 to 40% of the time by compared to the time when we do that activity, do those activity one at a time. So that's another misconception which we live with and we multitask these days. And last but not the least, it puts when we are in a habit of multitasking, it really stresses, puts a lot of stress on our brain as well as on our body. So I've told you what are the how multitasking impacts us in a harmful way. But friends, my purpose of this as an educator, my purpose was to bring up the way we can really avoid multitasking in our day-to-day work and focus more and do the work with some focus. I read a lot on this topic on the web and came across a couple of rules very simple rules which we can follow in our day-to-day life, and if we follow those rules in our day-to-day life, we can really reduce the amount of multitasking in today's in our day-to-day life. And one such rule is the 20-minute rule. If we have, out of compulsion or out of our work schedule, we have to do two or more activities, the researchers, they suggest that it's good that you concentrate on one activity for at least 20 minutes and then shift on to the other activity rather than juggling minute after minute between the activities. So that is one way you can really help reduce the multitasking in your life and focus and do a more focused work. Second is improve your concentration, improve your level of concentration by meditating is one way, and other way is again concentrating on the work you are doing, concentrating it for longer and longer period of time. And the third way you can really reduce the amount of multitasking is by observing your daily schedule. You can really pick up the distractors when you are working, when you are at work. What are the things that distract you? Like for example, if you are working and you are just keeping your phone on aside, and WhatsApp and other applications, they keep on buzzing. So it's advisable that you keep those gadgets away or at a distance, or maybe on a switched off mode, so that when you are working, you work with a focus. So by applying these three tricks, you can actually increase the level of focus and do as much work as you want in a smarter way. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.